Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this effect in Canva in a few easy steps. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I already opened an empty project. First, I just need to add the same image as I used before. And going to the corner rounding, just rounding a bit. Then going to the text, add the text, skater, okay, now it's without a typo, position, rotate to -90, and just moving to here now, select the text, go into the font and typing 210. And scrolling down to the very bottom to here and increasing the size of the text box and adjust the text to the image. Just let's see if the top is still not. Just a bit. Of course, we cannot do it properly. Maybe like this. Moving down. And now, always one dot here. Okay, not a big issue, because position I selecting the text and the text color changing to white. And now we can might be too bit bigger. Yeah, like this. And we can move it down a bit. Yeah, like this. And now we already have the effect. But if you would like to have the hand also to here, so we just need to duplicate the image, put the same position, remove the background, and now we have the same effect, totally what we had it before. And if you do not like this white color, that's very easy. Click on the Canva, change the color to any, what we like. Now this blue. And in this case, just going back to the position, click on the text and change the text to the same color. So that's technically works with all colors. The only thing what we need to do is to have to select the same color for the background and for the text. So this is how easy to create this this effect. So now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, first of all, to feed the algorithm and let me reach more and more people with my tutorials. And of course, if you're struggling anything in the Canva, or you just have any question about Canva, just let me know in the comment section and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description where you can find links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts list on a Facebook page, and of course on the TikTok and Instagram pages you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. And see you in the next one. Ciao.